Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, where we explore smart tech that empowers your creative journey. Today, we're looking at an all-in-one content creator's dream, the Yatao 6K digital camera with 64MP sensor, dual lenses, flip screen, external microphone, and built-in Wi-Fi. If you're a beginner, traveler, or aspiring YouTuber searching for a powerful yet compact solution that won't break the bank, this one's for you. Let's start with the headline, 6K video resolution. That's right, this camera captures incredibly sharp, Ultra HD footage, letting your content stand out with cinematic clarity. Paired with a 64MP photo sensor, you get professional-level detail whether you're shooting portraits, landscapes, or product shots. It features a dual lens system, which means you can easily switch between standard shooting and detailed macro work without hassle, perfect for travel or on-the-go creativity. The included external microphone delivers clean audio, vastly improving your video quality over onboard mics. One standout feature is the 3-inch 180° flip screen, ideal for vlogging, TikToks, live streams, or capturing the perfect selfie with accurate framing. Add in Wi-Fi connectivity, and you've got instant wireless sharing and remote shooting via your smartphone, no cables needed. This camera comes preloaded with a generous 64GB TF card, so you're ready to start shooting immediately. Whether you're filming on a rooftop, hiking a trail, or recording an unboxing at home, this camera is designed to adapt. Despite the high-end features, it stays compact and lightweight, making it perfect for travel, school projects, or everyday content creation. Battery life is solid, and the intuitive interface ensures even first-timers can get creative right away. To wrap it up, the Yatao 6K camera combines performance, versatility, and affordability in a way that few compact digital cameras can. It's an excellent pick for creators who want more than a smartphone, without stepping into DSLR territory just yet. If this sounds like the upgrade you've been waiting for, check the link below to grab your Yatao camera today. And don't forget, like this video, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and stick around, we've got more powerful gear reviews coming every day.